softly, you always used to do. Sirens brush the darkness, but your warmth is close to mine. And in the hush between our hearts, the world turns more divine. Even when the thunder tries to steal our quiet choice, love still finds its pathway as we follow one true voice. Our hearts echo through the noise, a gentle song the night enjoys. Even when the shadows rise, we find a melody inside. Hold me close, don't let us fade. We're the vow the dark can't break. Our hearts echo through the noise and lead us home again. Is falling, yet your touch is calm and warm. A shelter made of memory in the middle of the storm. We used to dance in twilight under soft and tender skies. Now we sway through broken streets with hope still in our eyes. Even when the waves are high, we hold the dream we choose. Love that learned to weather storms. Our hearts echo through the noise. Our hearts echo through the noise, rising where the world destroys. Even when the night grows loud, we find a whisper in the crowd. Hold me close, don't let us fade. We're the vow the dark can't break. Our hearts echo through the noise and call us home again. Metal rain is falling, streets are shaking underfoot, but I feel you breathing softly like our memories carved in wood. We sway like lovers in the 60s under moonlit gentle skies. Now we slow dance through the wreckage with defiance in our eyes. Every rising wave tries hard to steal the dream we choose, but love that learned to weather storms is love we'll never lose. Our hearts echo through the noise, rising where the world destroys. Even when the night grows loud, we find a whisper in the crowd. Hold me close, don't let us fade. We're the vow the dark can't break. Our hearts echo through the noise and call us home again. If the world collapses, let it fall around our feet. Your name is still the quiet place where all the fractures meet. Distorted winds may scream, the skyline may unwind, but nothing steals the melody that keeps your soul with mine. Our hearts echo through the noise, rising where the world destroys. Even if the final spark tries to vanish in the dark, I'll hold you when the shadows shake. We're the vibe